How to enable or disable play tone when calls and on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on call alerts and ringtone. So after click on call alerts and ringtone, so you will see play tone when call ends is here. So if you want to disable play tone when call ends, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see play tone when call ends is disabled. So if you want to enable play tone when call ends, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see play tone when call ends is enabled. So you will enable or disable play tone when call ends from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable play tone when calls and on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.